model, 2015 Toyota Proace Dispatch Expert L1H1 1200 kg long MOT ready to go. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 158,000. MOT, the 29th of October 2025. Engine, 1997 cc 2.0128 HP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Pulls well through all gears with no lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, air con. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £3,875 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199972.